Hey guys, this is CruiseTube, and we are going to do a video about budgies. Okay, and now we have one. Do you like it, or do you not like it?
I like it.
His name is Pico, which is beak in Spanish, and we will show you the video of Pico in a few minutes, but right now we will tell you about Pico. So he can already chirp. Everybody tell them something about Pico.
I like when Pico's flying.
And Pico, he has his nails and he has his wings trimmed, so he can't fly a lot, but he still can't fly, just not far distances. So, so now I really tell him something.
His wings that got trimmed because now he can't fly.
I like the color.
Can I tell something?
Don't tell him the color because I want them to see. What?
I like the color.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. And I think he's like 3 months old, maybe.
Yeah.
So maybe like he's born in August.
Yeah.
We got him in November.
Oh, yeah.
November 10th. It's, yeah. So, yeah, and we'll show you Pico in 3, 2. Hey guys, now we're in the office, and this is Pico. Hey Pico.
Hi, Pico.
We'll get a better view of him. There we go. And now listen to us. Hey Pico. He might chirp, but we don't know. And there's Pico. We think he's a boy. He's pretty young. And that's Pico. So we gave him a mirror that he can kind of talk to. Thinks it's him. We got them this dangly toy with beads, wooden beads, plastic beads. We got him a collarbone too. And we didn't put everything in. We also got him a swing right there if you can see it. And food dishes, seeds, water. Sometimes we gave him fruit yesterday when we got him, but he didn't seem to like him. Snow Pico's behind those beads. We'll get a closer view. Hey Pico.
Hi, Pico.
And that's Pico with the white head, the white wings, yellow kind of, the yellow face, and yep, that's Pico.
Hi, Pico.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed Pico. Comment down below if you liked Pico. I think he's pretty cool, and Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video with Pico, and see you next time on CruiseTube.
And see you next time on CruiseTube.
Goodbye.